Behold. Every morning I behold the sunrise from my window. I am beholding the vast ocean for the first time. I have beheld many wonders on my travels. I have been beholding the stars all night. I beheld a breathtaking view from the summit. I was beholding the painting when the lights went out. I had beheld the castle before it was destroyed. I had been beholding the ceremony for an hour before it ended. I will behold the northern lights next winter. Tomorrow evening I will be beholding the eclipse. By dusk I will have beheld the whole valley. By midnight I will have been beholding the comet for hours.